it's your girl Akhona, and I'm back today with another video. By the title of this video, we're going to be taking this one-year-old wig that I made by myself from West Kiss Hair, and we're going to be adding highlights to it. So, you know, just take it all in. Can you believe one-year-old hair came out to this? Like, seriously, one-year-old hair came out to this. Like, look at this. Just look. Do you see that? Do you see that? One-year-old hair. If you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch the rest of this video. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell. So I'm going to be showing you all the supplies that I use in this video. So one of the first things being is right here a mixing bowl. And then the Clairol 40 volume developer. And then the Clairol bleaching powder. And then gloves. Don't ask me why they're mixed match. You know, Corona glows are out. And then aluminum foil. So what I'm about to do right here is put the Clairol bleaching powder into the mixing bowl. And I want to use about, for this, okay, well, in total, I'd use about 4 scoops. But I made the mistake of using only 2 scoops and I had to end up going back later for more. So in total, if you're gonna do this at home, I'd say use about 4 scoops, but I only use 2. And then I'm gonna pour the developer in there and mix it in. And you don't want it to be like too pasty, but you don't want it to be too slippery. So you just want it to be just right, like in between that, but not too soft, not too solid, but not too soft either. Let me tell you all about this hair. Let me tell you about the struggle that I've been through with this hair. And oh yeah, I'm sorry for the background. Like, my mother would not let me bleach or dye any type of hair in the house, so I had to go to the garage to do it. But basically, I got this hair from West Kiss. It was originally 20-inch rental with bundles that came in 20 and 2 22-inch bundles, and it was really great hair. I mean, it's still great hair to this day. One thing I will say, I think my only complaints about it are the shedding, but it has been a year and the frontal is practically bald, but I can easily hide it. I mean, if you're looking right here, it's kind of noticeable, but in general, I can hide it. But it's really great hair. It's to this day still so soft. And one of the things you're gonna see in this video is that it took bleach so well. I was genuinely shook for 1-year-old hair, or over a year hair. It took bleach so well. So just watch and see, and watch me dye the hair and see how the video turns out. Since I'm only adding highlights, I wanted to start up top of the hair at the very front. So the top 2 pieces, you want to bleach those first, for the simple fact of you want those to be the lightest since they're in the front of your head. So as you can see, I singled them out by braiding them, and then now I started to, yeah, this is really ghetto. I didn't have my brush to brush it on, so I had to use my mixing bowl thingy. So yeah, it's kind of ghetto, but whatever. You gotta make do with what you gotta make do, because we can't go outside, and I was definitely not gonna go outside just to get a brush. But yeah, other than that, you know, just put that bleach and the mixing powder onto the hair. Now once you're done putting the product in the hair, make sure you wrap it in the foil really tightly. So since I was only highlighting the hair and not basically bleaching the whole thing, oh my goodness, please excuse that bald spot. I told you this wig has really been through it, but to this day, a whole year and some change later, she's still fighting. She's still fighting to be worn. So the strategy I developed for highlighting this hair is basically every other strand of hair I would highlight. So I skipped 1 strand of hair, so now I'm going on to the next one and I'm highlighting that one. And I kind of do that for the rest of the head. You'll see as I go along. Also check out my last video to the right on how I dyed my hair jet black. Y'all, so bear with me. There is a point where I just gave up on using the mixer thing, so I just started using my gloves to mix the bleaching powder within the hair. And then either way, you could do both, it still works the same. Like, I had gloves on and I washed my hands multiple times, so either way it still works the same. It's still gonna look good at the end. A good time estimate to leave the dye on is about 30 to 45 minutes, and then take it out to wash it. So now I finally washed and conditioned the hair. Look how cute it is. You can't see the dye as much because it's like still wet, but it's so cute, I'm telling y'all. But now just watch me blow dry my hair, and then next pretty soon I'm going to be straightening it. This is the final result of the hair, bleach, blow dried, and straightened. If you really like this content and want to see more just like this, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. And if you have any suggestions of videos that you make in the future, please suggest them down below in the comment section. And make sure you look out for videos every Sunday and Thursday.